Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here it is, chapter 66, part 2. Perfect heroine wants to possess me. Okay guys, I'm sorry. This Uncle Chen is not a doctor. She is the friend of Wei Xing's father. And now, Ji Xiao remember it. What does she want? Well, definitely, she don't know that Wei Xingyu asking Uncle Chen to help her to find Dr. Ah, the famous gland physician. On the other hand, Wei Xingyu find her. She was calling Ji Xiao. It's a relief that Wei Xingyu goes out in the room and find her. Phew, fortunately, she is here. With her here, Chen Linji would definitely not dare to do anything to me. Yes, it really is. Ji Xiao know Chen Linji character. And Wei Xingyu coming back here is like a lifesaver for her. Ji Xiao asked Wei Xingyu, "How did you come?" It's a good timing that Wei Xingyu came out to find her. That's a relief for Ji Xiao. Wei Xingyu looking at Ji Xiao. I am afraid that you bought too much and can take it, so I'm here to help you. What do you think, guys? Is Mr. Chen plotting something? Why did she come to the hospital? It is clear that Wei Xingyu asking him to contact a doctor. But why did he came personally? It's okay. Look, I'm not holding it well. Then let's go. Don't keep Yuanxi waiting. Well, this is it. A lifesaver for the moment. Wei Xingyu's thinking. Fortunately, Dr. An told me that Uncle Chen would come to the hospital today. I know Uncle Chen hates the Ji family so much that it would be detrimental to Ji Xiao if they met him alone. Well, it really is. Ji Xiao almost break out. Ji Xiao was really forced when she see Uncle Chen. Gladly, Wei Xingyu come after her. Look at them. Wei Xingyu's hand is on Ji Xiao's back. It's a kind of sweet thing. But still, Uncle Chen was looking for them. Two ladies. Uncle Chen break the silence. What do you think, guys? What will Uncle Chen purpose? For sure, Ji Xiao is a little scared on him when Uncle Chen is calling them. Look at the face of Ji Xiao. She looked like feeling tense. Wei Xingyu must say something to Uncle Chen. Mr. Chen is talking to her. May I ask how to get to intensive care unit? Well, do you think, guys, they will answer him? Or just ignoring him right now? Wei Xingyu answer in calmly. I don't know. You can go to the nurse station and ask. Whoa, this is the spirit. She's acting really well in front of Ji Xiao and Uncle Chen. Wei Xing Yu is the best actress here. Uncle Chen answered her, "Okay, thanks." But on Wei Xing Yu's mind, is he making an appointment with me to meet up? It's looked like Uncle Chen will tell her something. That's why he came to the hospital to meet her. Now Uncle Chen turned back. She was going away, probably going to the nurse station. Or she will wait Wei Xing Yu. It's clearly she want to said something to Wei Xing Yu. Now, Uncle Chen really went to the intensive care unit. 15 minutes later, in intensive care unit entrance, Wei Xing Yu find Uncle Chen. He was sitting alone, and probably she really wants to meet Wei Xing Yu right now. Wei Xing Yu approaching Uncle Chen. What do you think, guys? Is there any problem? Or Uncle Chen will help her? Now it's really getting tense here. Wei Xing Yu sat beside Uncle Chen. But Uncle Chen said, "Here we come." Wei Xing Yu was surprised and said, "Well, why are you here?" Uncle Chen said, "I saw your post in your school forum. You asked me to contact Dr. An, this time to help Ji Xiao, right?" Oh, that's it. Uncle Chen wants to meet her to ask about Ji Xiao. But Uncle Chen meet Ji Xiao on the way before her. "I came here as your uncle to remind you that there are some things you should know when to stop in moderation." Well, this is really sad. Uncle Chen wants to control her also. Because now she was orphan. Well, probably Uncle Chen want to give her more advice. After all, after Ji Xingyun goes to the prison, Ji Xiao will definitely be implicated. So as your uncle, advise you not to get close to the Ji family. Well, that's it. Uncle Chen came here to remind her about the Ji family. What will you think, guys? Is Wei Xing Yu going to follow Uncle Chen's order? On her mind, she was thinking Uncle Chen was right. I will definitely get back my parents' inheritance, and I will definitely send Ji Xingyun to prison. But it's not all about it. Can she really accept this? She was holding tight. "I will not let go of anyone who ruined my family." That was hers before. But do you think, is she going to wager in terms of Ji Xiao? Probably or maybe she will wager in the end. Because she will think Ji Xiao, she is much closer to her right now. Everything happened in the past days was going smooth, and their friendship goes really well. But how about Mr. G? These things might really bother Wei Xing Yu for the moment. As of now, Wei Xing Yu thinks only Ji Xiao. She really wants to preserve it. Probably, she will think another way, not to harm Ji Xiao in the process, on getting back on Mr. G and taking back everything for her. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!